everyone. On this video, we will try to learn about inheritance in Python. Inheritance allows programmers to create classes that are built upon existing classes. It will help to inherit the attributes and methods of the classes. There are two things that you need to understand. It is parent class. It is the class that is being inherited from. And the child class, it is the class that inherits from another class. Okay, so this is basic thing that you need to remember about inheritance. Now we will try to look into its syntax. It is not the exact syntax, but for understanding purpose I have written. So as you can see, this class and class name as usual we will be giving. So if you are not aware about class, please go through my previous videos. So this will be the body of your main class. Base class is nothing but the parent class, and derived class is nothing but the child class, and in the bracket base class name will come and its body will come. Fine. Now let's take a real example code. So I'm declaring a class called as animal. Okay, class animal colon. So this is my parent class. Fine. That is base class. We can also call parent class as base class. I'm giving a method function called as breed. Okay, breed, and a parameter called as self inside it, and I'm printing a breed name called corgi, a dog breed called corgi. Now I will declare a child class. Child class called as dog, and I am using the parent class, so I need to specify the class name inside the round parenthesis of my class, that is child class. So the class name was animal, right? So in my child class called dog, I will be writing animal inside the braces, and then I'm declaring one more function called bark. Okay, and I'm giving parameter as self. So I'm trying to print barking under child class. Now the goal is to print both, that is corgi and barking. So to do that, I'm going to access my parent class by giving object to it. That is, I'm creating object to my child class. So as I'm derived one, child class is derived one, you can access both the functions. So I will be using that d.bark, that is your function names, and breed. Now when I will run, both the print methods will be executed and output will come, that is corgi and barking should come. See. Thanks for watching. To subscribe my channel.